So I worked for a mobile device manufacturer, and we had pretty interesting situation a few years ago. So many devices come through shipping and receiving and then go out for, via distribution at a company like this. All of them needed to be tested, reviewed, and then shipped out. And our company provides a lot of devices and accessories for employees. People are bringing them home with them, and many of our employees work from home. You can probably see where this is going, or maybe not. So for years we had, this honor system, right, with our employees. And then about a few months ago, we started getting some complaints. They were saying that shipments were, I don't know, a few devices short. So after looking at some CCTV footage, we caught some of our colleagues running a little amateur crime ring. So a few employees actually borrowed hardware from the office and then they sold huge volumes of it on eBay. So our company logo was all over eBay pictures. And the best part of it all is that some cases they didn't even take the shipping labels off of the equipment. It was a disaster.